Welcome to the webinar Scheduling and Route Optimization Software to support the healthcare, supermarket, restaurants related companies during this global emergency situation, coronavirus COVID-19. Presenter Parthiban, postgraduate scholar, Transportation Engineering, India. Overview. Purpose of this seminar: functions of the route optimizer, benefits of routing and scheduling, frequently asked questions about the fleet optimization, how to use the software, tutorials. Purpose of this seminar: due to this emergency situation, coronavirus has changed everything in this world. For that, the effective operation of the business in the healthcare related industries is critical to everyone's well-being. In this challenging time, the ability to deliver the supplies faster, more efficiently, and with a limited resource translate into lives saved that could benefit from the software for planning, scheduling, and optimizing the transportation operations. To plan a better route and increase the efficiency of your fleet operations, optimize your fleet planning and scheduling, reduce the transport and operation cost, boost the efficiency of your fleet, improve the customer service. Application of the software for using the route optimization and scheduling the transport vehicles. There are transport logistics in the healthcare sector, food and drink industries, logistic business, home deliveries of food products, couriers and pickup deliveries. List of the route optimizer softwares are route planning and scheduling, easy to use the interfaces, route optimization, restrictions, route cost calculations, tracking and arrival of times of the packages. First, route planning and scheduling. Fleet route planning and scheduling with the PTV Route Optimizer software are effective multi-stop route planners. Optimized fleet schedule at the push of a button. Compare alternative routes. Factor in all constraints automatically. Second one, easy to use the interfaces. Integrated PTV route optimizer in your transportation management solution, telematics and ERP, enterprises resource planning with the data it is using as an interfaces, and another one is CRM, customer relationship management. It is using this management softwares and the data with their interfaces and using also the mobile device and then onboard computers. Third one, route optimization. Maximized using a single fleet in a route is called route optimization. For that, analyze and optimize the delivery and collection routes. Identify potentials for improvement and savings. Increase transport efficiency and utilization of the fleet. If we don't have any basic knowledges or any softwares related for the route optimization, we are planning to from one place to the another place like this in the first image. If we are using any methods like PERT or CPM means route optimization method, like that means in a single fleet from the depot to the delivery location in a easy method and the shortest route, short time, everything will be possible. Fourth, restrictions. Consider restrictions and requirements in routing and scheduling. That is, calculate delivery times, consider vehicle profiles, accounts for legal driving and the rest times of the drivers, avoid restricted access area, optimize cargo loadings. Fifth, route cost calculation. Calculate the exact transportation cost with integrated route cost calculator. That is, calculate tolls and personal cost, identify the cost drivers and reduces the expenses, make informed decisions. Sixth, tracking and arrival times. ETA. Estimated time of arrival is calculated, and fleet trackings for better customer service you are using in this software by text messaging, as the customers can get the location of the courier or the packages, and through by emails also in the real time where the packages are in the route. It is connected to the PTV drivers and arrivals. Benefits of routing. Benefits of routing and scheduling with the PTV optimizer are boost your efficiency of the vehicles and the delivery possibilities, reduce the transport cost also, improve customer service, gain an overview, and the important one thing is cut the CO2 emission in the vehicle. Frequently asked question about the fleet optimization. What is route planning and scheduling? In route planning and scheduling, several orders are grouped together and assigned to a vehicle or a driver. Then the optimal orders of the stop as well as an efficient driving routes are calculated. Next is, what is fleet optimization software? Experienced dispatchers know the planning, pickup and delivery routes and the schedules take a lot of time in a regular method, in an manuals also. Even for the small fleet, with an increasing amount of orders and vehicles, the number of possible schedules and route increases exponentially. Manual route planning and scheduling with freely available maps take a lot of times. We are using the Google Maps. Okay, this is where the fleet optimization software works. Like PTV route optimizer comes in the tools, automatically combines the order into an effective schedules and calculate the optimal route. Thereby it ensures an optimal use of your fleet. Next is, does route planning and scheduling software only make sense for the companies with a large fleet? No, not the number of vehicles, but the complexity of the order and the route determines whether a planning and scheduling system makes a sense. A planner who creates the schedule for several trucks that makes several stops per trip quickly loses the track of the things. Besides, the system grows with the company and the support. It is growing in a controlled manner. As I told before this slide, that informations are the basic knowledges to get the route optimizer and the scheduling of the vehicles. In this slide we can see the PTV route optimizer front page, and this comes from the cloud computing. This is the online software. In this slide, the software having the map. This is the map view of the route planned with that scheduling and optimized like that. Next webinar of the tutorial of PTV route optimizer club. Thank you.